Yo, what's up guys? Anthony here. If you're just starting your fitness journey, stop scrolling. You don't need to drop hundreds on random gear. In fact, I'll show you the only 3 things you actually need. And trust me, I've seen people waste so much money on stuff they never use. We're gonna break it down to the bare essentials. The stuff that's actually gonna get you results without emptying your wallet. No BS, no fancy gadgets, just the tools you need to start building a solid foundation. Let's get it. First up, we're talking resistance bands. These things are like the Swiss Army knife of fitness. They're crazy versatile, and they're perfect. Whether you're warming up, adding some extra resistance to your workout, or even if you're just training at home. Now, when you're starting out, I'm talking about 2 main types of bands. We got your loop bands, which are awesome for working your legs and glutes. And then you got your long resistance tubes, which are killer for upper body strength training. And the best part? These things are ridiculously affordable. You can literally get a full set for the price of 1 month at some of those fancy gyms. Trust me, they're a game changer. I'm talking about taking your squats to the next level, firing up your glutes like never before, and getting a killer shoulder workout without even touching a weight. And because they're so compact, you can literally take them with you anywhere. Traveling? No problem. Vacation? You're still getting those gains. Look, I've been training for years, and resistance bands are always a staple in my routine. They're incredibly effective, and they're perfect for anyone at any fitness level. Alright, let's talk cardio. Forget those expensive treadmills and ellipticals. All you need is a good jump rope. This right here is a calorie torching beast that's going to have you sweating in minutes. Seriously, just a few minutes of jump rope is like sprinting on a treadmill. It gets your heart rate through the roof, builds your endurance like crazy, and it's actually fun. Plus, it's a killer workout for your coordination. Now, when it comes to jump ropes, don't cheap out. Get yourself one that's adjustable so you can get the perfect length and make sure it's got those grippy handles so you're not flying across the room. 3 minutes of this and you'll be feeling the burn more than 10 minutes on that boring treadmill. And the best part? You can take it anywhere. No more excuses for skipping cardio. Gloves or grips. Protect your grind. Let's talk about something that a lot of beginners overlook. Protecting your hands. Ripped calluses, sweaty palms. These are momentum killers, and they can seriously derail your progress. That's where a good pair of gym gloves or grips come in. We're talking about protecting your hands, improving your grip strength, and taking your workouts to the next level. Now, when it comes to gloves, you got a couple of options. You can go with full gloves for maximum coverage, or you can opt for grips, which are like minimalist gloves that protect your palms and fingers. Now, here's the thing. Don't go for those cheap, flimsy gloves. You want something that's durable, breathable, and provides a good grip. Trust me, your hands will thank you. Whether you're hitting the weights, crushing pull-ups, or swinging kettlebells, gloves or grips are gonna be your new best friend. They'll help you maintain a solid grip, prevent blisters, and keep you focused on your workout. No more sweaty palms, no more slipping, just pure unadulterated gains. Look, I've been in gyms for years. These 3 things, they're the foundation. You don't need smartwatches, supplements, or fancy gear to start. Just the basics. Build the habit first, upgrade later. If you're serious about starting, I linked the full beginner's gear list below. Everything's under $50 and handpicked for people just getting into it. Remember, consistency is key. So get the gear you need, get in the gym, and start putting in the work. Got questions about what to buy first? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.